like one, another 15. I could probably do maybe three today. Three. But yeah, I could probably do three. I could probably do three. Let me get everything set. Let me get everything set. Let me get everything set. Bam. Bam. As usual, I appreciate you liking, subscribing, viewing, all that. If you're on my group, listen, I got some stuff to post coming up. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, wherever, um, is that close? All right. Okay. So, all right. Hold on. All right. Let's go to my mail. Let's get the information set up. Hey, you guys seen that Zeron? Why is the camera doing that? Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. You guys seen that Zaran Madani thing? Is it Zarhan Madani or something like that? Yeah, apparently he became mayor of New York. I believe he had the most out of Cuomo and the other guy he was running against. That dude that Cuomo was running against, man, if he had just give up some of his, like he had give up his seat, Cuomo could have ran as a Republican, and I'm pretty sure it would have been a lot closer. But Cuomo kept his seat. I mean, Cuomo ended up as an independent. For an independent, he had a lot of votes. A lot of votes. Usually, the independents they don't have that much because not too many people vote independent. But man, all right, all right, all right. Okay, so we're about to get started. We're about to get started. All right. Okay, so first of all, the title says it says new super Google computer, right? A new super quantum Google computer. So that's what I was gonna focus on yesterday, and I end up not going to it. So I'm doing my due diligence, go according to what I got going on. So I want to stick with the schedule and show you guys instead of not being able to give you the content that you need. Again, I want to thank you all for being here. All that showed, or that's going to show. Everybody on my YouTube group, supporters, everybody, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, um, yeah, let's get it going. Let's pause this. All right, so this is Google's quantum computing. Google's quantum computing, right? All right, let me pen over. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Bam. All right, again, there's gonna be some pixelation. You know how I feel about the pixelation. You know how I feel about it. You know how I feel about it. But it is what it is. We gotta get going. So let's pause. Okay. Oh, all the link in this is going to be on the description. So check it out, like and support. Bam. All right. Again, all the links are going to be in the description. Check it out. Give support. All that stuff. If you're here and you're like, hey, usually talk about t-shirts, what's going on? I kind of changed it up. I'm tired of just talking about t-shirts. Like, I make a t-shirt, talk about a t-shirt. I design a t-shirt, I talk about a t-shirt. It's getting tiring. You know, I want to venture out and do other stuff too. You feel me? You feel me? So yeah. So there we go. All right, let's get it going.
Was solved in hours. This is not incremental progress. This is a rupture in computing itself. The age of quantum dominance has arrived.
A chip the size of your finger.
That is crazy. That chip is faster than most people's computer. That chip right there is faster than most people's computer times an extreme amount of numbers. Crazy. You know, let's give an applause for Google. Ooh-wee, they outdid themselves.
Fingernail. 105 qubits, operating at temperatures colder than deep space. This is Willow Google's quantum processor that just achieved what researchers are calling verifiable quantum advantage. The breakthrough isn't just speed, it's verification. For the first time in history, a quantum computer ran an algorithm called quantum echoes that can be independently confirmed by running it on another quantum machine.
Yo, those who know quantum computing, that's crazy.
The results match. The calculations hold. The science is reproducible. Google's Willow's algorithm measures how disturbances spread through quantum systems, revealing hidden information about molecules.
Guys, you know how I feel. You know how I feel when the fuzzy's gone. Oh my gosh. When it's not pixelated anymore, I feel excited. Let's go.
Magnets, even black holes. Critics once dismissed the quantum computers as hype. Now, Google has delivered. This massive technical...
Yo, Google said we ain't playing. Let's go.
Leap confirms humanity's entry into the quantum realm.
Our experiment is what we call verifiable, which means that its outcome can be repeated and verified on our quantum computer.
Whew. This guy's amazing. You know he's a Nobel Peace Prize winner? Is Trump around? Yeah, he's a Nobel Peace Prize winner, guys. Yeah, him. Yo, he deserves it. Look at this. This is crazy. The stuff he's doing, amazing. Come on.
Or any other quantum system, even nature itself, and generate the same result. It may sound surprising, but this is the first time in history that any quantum computer has successfully run a verifiable algorithm that surpasses the ability of supercomputers.
Incidentally, Michael Deveray, who is currently Google's chief scientist of quantum hardware on the quantum AI team, won this year's Nobel Prize. The implication is staggering. Problems considered computationally too complex for even arrays of billions of US dollars worth of hardware are now solvable.
What? Sorry, that was a little loud. What? This is crazy. Yo, this is great. Yo, listen, I'm saying that because pretty soon the phones that we're going to have, the laptops, computers, it's going to be next generation times 1,000. Let's go.
A quantum quantum computer can simulate new drugs and proteins at atomic precision, slashing development time. Quantum machines could model global weather systems in hours, improving climate predictions.
That's what I want to get into right there. With quantum computing, if used correctly, it's gonna be hard to hack. But if it's in the wrong hands, I mean, could be devastation. But we're hoping it's in the good hands.
Encryption becomes obsolete. Banks, governments, military communications, everything needs rebuilding.
Yup. That was cool. That was cool. So there you go right there. Quantum computing. Quantum computing. Quantum computing. This is the next generation. Why am I talking about it? Because we got to give it up to tech. That's news also. Tech is news also. The next generation of computers is going to be wild. It's going to be wild. All right. So, with that said, you guys can watch the rest. They give a lot of details about quantum computing, what the next step is, what the future for quantum computing is going to be as far as computers. A lot of stuff's going to be obsolete, which means a lot of governments is going to have to change the way they have this set up, right? So, with that being the case, there's going to be a lot of changes coming up. The way we deal with money is going to be digital. A lot of things are going to happen. Heck, they even have some fabric, right? So that's what I'm into. So they even have some fabric that's like digital. You can wear digital outfits that change at will. Although it's not the same as having like a regular outfit where you put a logo and everybody can see it. There's no change. There's no pixelation, nothing. But at the end of the day, with quantum computing, a lot of that stuff is going to change. A lot of that stuff will change definitely. But with that said, like, subscribe, DeFi Pell. I appreciate you. All right, cool. So let's go